Hello, my amazing friend. This is your friend Kamini, mother to a daughter, granny to a grandson, a passive person turned to a passionate speaker, a public speaker, consultant, life coach, and a soft skills consultant and coach. Well, my friends, I would like to share with you my experience while joining the program of Akshay. Akshay Rajsheakaran, he began his programs and he began his consulting business himself. A very, you can say, successful person. Well, but what is the best thing about Akshay is he is a person who has attended so many events, so many different places, learned from different mentors. The uniqueness about him and his program is he shares with you every detail, right from, even if it's talking about the right mindset, because for any business, for an entrepreneur, for becoming a consultant, you need to have the right business, you need to have the right mindset, you need to have clarity about what you really want to do, which niche is it that you want to speak about, which is the niche which you want to do consulting about. You need to understand your expertise. And the most important is the strategies, planning, how you get into the plannings, how do you do your sales calls, how do you get to your first clients, and from the low ticket, how do you reach to the high end ticket, right? So he is going to give you every single details. I like it very much is because for me, somebody who was not a digital savvy person, I'm getting all details about how to move into it. In fact, let me share with you, when we were talking about when he spoke and he shared with us about niche clarity, he has given us even a template kind of a format, a questionnaire where you can ask the questions, okay, what you should do, what's important, that is the should, the must haves, the okay kind of a have things, what you should not be having. And then, so when you have this complete answers to all these questions, you will get the clarity which profession or which interest area or which passion is it that you need to follow, which will give you a monetization also, which will take you to monetization. So, well, friends, I really, really, really appreciate him, and I really love to be him. I love to be with him and to learn from him. And I am now at the same time implementing my stuff. So very soon, it is he has taken it up as a mission to get us rolling into our, the skills that we have, utilize our skills and start monetizing it. So do join this program. This is a highly recommended program for all of you, especially for the ones who want to begin it from zero. Yes, I repeated, those who want to begin it from zero, it's for you also. Those who are in the mid path, you are already started, you have started, you want to take it further ahead. It's not going further, you're stuck somewhere. It's for you also. And those who want to take it to a next level, it's for you too. So believe me, the program is for all the ones who really want to become entrepreneurs. Thank you.